Okay, so I'm going to be reading you a story. When I have read it through once, I will read it again very slowly so that you can write the words of the story. Some of the words are hard, so I'll say them slowly and think of how you can write them. So first I'll read the first sentence. I can see the red boat that we are going to have a ride in. Now I'll read it slowly and you can write down as I read. I can see the red boat
I keep thinking of both.
boat. Okay, next word is that. We are going to have a ride in. Fantastic, that's the end of the sentence. Okay, so the next story I'm going to read again, and I will read it slowly the second time. The boy is riding his bike. He can go very fast on it. Okay, so the boy is riding
Is it okay if I go out the lines?
yes, his bike. He can go very fast on it. And that was the end of that one.
Very sad
Fantastic.
period.